That we are tracking. Former Delhi Chief Minister and the Aam Aadmi Party leader Atishi has slammed the BJP, stating that the BJP had promised the women of Delhi that in the first cabinet meeting itself they would pass the scheme in which women of the Delhi would be getting 2,500 rupees. She added that the first day itself BJP started breaking their promises. They did not let pass the scheme. Let's now listen in.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने दिल्ली की महिलाओं से वादा किया था कि पहली कैबिनेट की मीटिंग में 2,500 रुपए प्रति माह की योजना जो दिल्ली के हर महिला को मिलनी है वो पास होगी। आज दिल्ली की नई मुख्यमंत्री रेखा गुप्ता जी ने शपथ ली, उनकी कैबिनेट ने शपथ ली। आज शाम को 7 बजे कैबिनेट की पहली बैठक हुई। दिल्ली की सभी महिलाएं इंतजार कर रही थी कि इस बैठक में 2,500 रुपए प्रति माह की योजना पास होगी, लेकिन मुझे दुख है इस बात का कि सरकार बनने के पहले ही दिन भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने अपने वादे तोड़ने शुरू कर दिए, दिल्ली वालों को धोखा देना शुरू कर दिया।
Brian Thomas is joining me live to add more information, in fact, on this. Brian, just on the day first of the new Delhi government, which has started acting on to the promises that they had measured, in fact, they had assured in the manifesto. Right now, there have been, in fact, allegations by the previous Delhi Chief Minister. Atishi versus Rekha is what we are looking at. Atishi has hit out at Rekha Gupta for not delivering the promise of the financial assistance that was made by the BJP to the women.
Simran, definitely former Delhi Chief Minister and Aam Aadmi Party leader Atishi has now criticized the BJP, accusing the party of breaking its election promise to provide 3,500 per month to the women in Delhi, and says that yes, BJP has promised the women of Delhi that in their first cabinet meeting they would pass the scheme, but yes, the new CM Rekha Gupta and the cabinet ministers took oath, but in the evening, and she was talking about yesterday evening at 7 p.m. the first cabinet was held, and all the women of Delhi were expecting the schemes to be passed, but one day, on day one itself, the BJP started breaking the promise, and she also further alleged that the BJP had made up their mind to cheat the people of Delhi by failing to implement the promised, financial assistance to the scheme as well. Yes, Simran.
Well, all right, Brian. Thank you very much for adding these details. Now,